Welcome to our coverage of the PBA Illinois Classic. The boys have 18 games of qualifying, 12 of which they bowl in day 1, 6 of which they bowl in day 2. The top 24 players advance to a single elimination match play bracket, and the top 8 players get a first round bye in that bracket. Got to make the top 24. We're looking for the boys to make the top 8.
I tried that thing, the one that's 710, to get it through that front part of the lane. Terrible.
You, sir, have something exciting you want to talk about.
Yeah, the LBC is being held here at Mount Prospect in Bolero over the summertime, so you guys can check out that. You got to go on the PBA website and register for the LBC, which means you can bowl with any one of us pros as well. So if you guys want to bowl with me, I'll be bowling on a squad, but you can sign up for me even if we're not bowling on the same squad and bowl doubles with me. And then if you guys want to follow the rest of this tournament, we got a little different format this week, so if you guys want to follow along on the PBA social media channels, whether it's Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, they're going to catch all the highlights there, so don't be afraid. Check them out on their social medias, and if you want to, the LBC is going to be here over the summer.
Actually have to help them.
So on howtobowl.com, can you teach him how to get those out?
You left them 2 different ways.
1046, I don't think so.
How did your second block today go?
Second block went better than the first one, so we're right in there. 150 over. I promise I'm just like 1 or 2 hits away every game from having like a 7-bagger and just popping off 250. But we're staying the course. But I'm bowling with Belma this week, so it just seems like every 7th or 8th frame, like he just chews up the lane so fast because he's just good at what he does. And no, I'm actually hooking it more than he is because I have to. But like, he'll take some of my fronts and my ball just gets offline and I'll split. Like, I think I have 1 clean game. I don't even think I have a clean game. It might be game 1. Game 1's clean game, like this morning. But we're in the pocket a lot. It's just trying to get that stupid 10-pin to fall. But 274 over will probably be 1 in, 1 out. Scores, I don't even know if they're high. They're 220 average. It's not really that high, but.
What's the game plan tomorrow?
Strike more. I gotta stay in it. Keep my brain in it. 1 more. Wow, I'm 27. I just have to keep my brain in it for 1 more frame. If I do that, I'll be good.
What do we throw?
We threw an NV Extreme and then a GB4 Hybrid. Just shipping it.
Same thing tomorrow?
We're gonna hope.
I used urethane for way too long this block. The first block, I kind of kept it close, had some good games, had some bad games. This block, I tried to make urethane work, and I should have, after game 1, I should have known that it was probably not going to be the play yet again, and I should have just gone straight to reactive. So now I'm going to take like 4 or 5 balls off the truck, I'm going to drill them at KP's house, and we're going to come back with 6 reactive balls tomorrow and just let her rip. Yikes!